all investing starts with the assessment of risk. Keep that in mind. So the main risks of investing in mortgages, and I used to do big trainings, live events on notes and how to use a discount calculator and all this. And you know what? Anybody that's going to enroll with us, I'm going to give you those video clips of how to calculate notes and what I used to do with notes, etc. And I show you stuff. I took a broker's license in the early 90s. They used to spend a whole weekend to use the calculator, the discount mortgage calculator. I teach it in 10 minutes. That's how good I am at it and how simplified it could be. But the main risk of investing in mortgage notes include the following. The borrower default risk. Is the borrower, so you're going to buy a mortgage note. So this is secured against real estate. Somebody filed, let's say, first lien or a second lien, and there is equity in the property. So you want to first look at the borrower. Does the borrower make enough income? Is that a person that has been making steady payments? Have there been any foreclosure efforts against that person? Whether there has been any modification efforts? Has he or she been responsive? So that's number one, the borrower. Number two, the property. This is the asset. Is the loan I'm buying, let's say 700,000, but the property is worth $1 million, there is 300,000 equity? Okay, how true is that? Can the property depreciate? Is it in bad condition? Is there a risk of it going bad because the market is really bad in that area? So you're gonna see the collateral that the note is against. That for me is more important than anything, because if the borrower is bad, but I got a lot of equity in the property, I'm gonna tell the borrower, listen, let's work it amicably, my friend. Let me just put the property for sale. I don't have to hurt your credit. I'm gonna sell, I want my note, I bought it at a discount, and I'm gonna get this and that, or I want so much of the equity, and I'll cash you out some money and you don't lose your credit. So the property, the asset itself is very important. Number three, so the borrower, the asset, which is the property. Number three, I want to know the foreclosure process in that state. How much is it going to cost? Are there any delays? And that is going to involve an attorney that does foreclosures. And so when you buy a mortgage note, send the document to that attorney. Oh my God, it's going to cost you $500 an hour. They want 3 hours. Guess what? That $1,500 will be the best $1,500 you spend, because that attorney is going to tell you that paperwork is bad because they didn't sign over here. There was robo signing over there. And that's why they want to sell the note. But if the attorney tells you, oh, they don't pay you, we can do the foreclosure and we do a flat fee on the foreclosure, whatever, you got the blessing of somebody who does this for a living. They're licensed attorneys. So the foreclosure. So number three is the foreclosure. Number four, liquidity risk. Can you keep some cash reserves in case these people don't make a payment and you need to go through the foreclosure process? And then find out also, does the interest rate, is that interest rate fluctuate? Or is it a fixed rate? Does it have a balloon payment? So the terms of the interest is very important. And then other risks, such as any economic downturns. Is that area losing some whatever? Like you go in California and things right now, even though it's a non-judicial state, can get delayed. You got to watch out for that. So I'll repeat, the borrower's default risk, the property depreciation risk or challenges with the property itself in terms of valuations, foreclosure costs and delays, any liquidity risk you may have, any interest rate changes on the note, any legal and regulatory risk that you need to be aware of, and any other risk regarding general economic things.